Hello, my name is Darty Henry and my student ID is 11335562. Today I will be presenting my final presentation for Western Literature class. So we were asked to give our exam experiences and reflections. So in the next couple minutes, I will be doing that exactly. So, I am a second year computer science student, and ever since I came to Taiwan, studying in a new environment and meeting new people and managing all these things all together has been a great challenge for me. But I think that struggling with exams is common, and some students fail and can't move on immediately. So I will be sharing my personal experience as a second year computer science student here in Taiwan. Okay, so question 1. During your educational stages, which exam left a deep impression? For me, I would say the exam that left a big impression on me was my first advanced C++ test. So C++ is a programming language, and it's used to teach first year students about the fundamentals of programming and all the jargon or all the logic behind everything. So I think it was really challenging for me. It covered inheritance, polymorphism, overloading. These are concepts that I was not very familiar with. So I felt excited but also very nervous because I felt like I was really getting into the field, but still it was nerve-wracking. I learned also the importance of understanding concepts deeply and not just on the surface level, because you really need to do that. So that was my first exam that left a deep impression on me. Question 2, have you ever not been able to get over one exam? Oh, yes. Yes. I think calculus and discrete math exams, I really couldn't get over this one. I kept thinking about the questions I did not solve, how I could have, walked through these steps, or maybe I could have done this, or maybe I could have done that, and all the things I could have done, but I did not do because I was so stressed up. And this frustration turned motivation into practice more, because I was like, I can do the thing, but I didn't practice enough. So the frustration built up and kind of turned into motivation for me to learn more. Question 3, what kind of words or lyrics cheered you up at that time? So at that time, I think the words that kind of kept me going were progress and not perfection. When you're learning something new, when you're learning something you were not used to, progress is the thing that you should be focusing on. So I really kept this in mind and kind of walk through the process. It's a process. It's not just a one thing. You can just step in there and boom, you know everything, So that really kept me going. And breaking problems into smaller steps. Also, I took short breaks to reset, because I never did that before. I just in one straight line, no stop, no breaks. So I learned to do that more, because I realized I'm not a machine, I'm a human being. So it's important to take small breaks and to reset and really soak all that knowledge in, and not just one way, just straight a line. I also listen to some motivational podcasts and music that really helped me. Really helped me. Let's go on to question 4. Will you prepare some exams right now? Yes. And actually, this week I am preparing some exams, but I think on the I'm preparing my finals right now, but I think on the longer run, I will be preparing my programming certifications in license exams, especially the CPE exam that I am planning to take in March. So I have to do a lot of lead code and a lot of practicing my codes and all that, so I can get through it and have a good score. I'm also building discipline and improving my skills right now, because it's important to have discipline when you're learning something. Motivation doesn't really keeps you going. It's just, it's good. It's just a one time, you wake up, you're motivated, and you do all that good stuff. But I think discipline is way more important, because on the long run, when it piles up after an amount of time, you can really see the result, and not just, oh, today I'm motivated and tomorrow I'm not. So yeah, I'm learning to build that discipline, to have better scores in my exams, in my finals, in my CPE exams that I will take soon. So yeah. Right, so as a conclusion, exams are challenging, but setbacks teach valuable lessons. Yeah, just like I said, staying positive and using strategies helps overcome difficulties. I learned that the hard way. And continuous preparation strengthens skills and confidence. Yes, that these are very valuable lessons that I learned during my journey as a second year computer science student here in Taiwan. So that it will be all for my final presentation. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice end of year, and Merry Christmas.